Namaste, Radhe Radhe. So this is your monthly reading for the month of August, and I'll give you a specific message from Lord Mahadev at the last. Okay, from for that particular thing, I'll go from Aries to Pisces. I'll give you one very specific message from Lord Mahadev. Okay, and let me see how will be your career and relationship in general, Aries in the month of August. See, I'll go from Aries to Pisces, but if you feel like you are resonating more with the your sun sign or moon sign or any placement in your chart, you can watch that reading. Not necessarily that suppose your sun sign is Aries and your moon sign is into another zodiac. Okay, doesn't matter. You can listen to both the readings. Okay, because leave whatever is not resonating and just take whatever resonates. This is the way of watching readings. Okay, because this is a general reading and hopefully it resonates with most of you zodiac wise. Let me see what's coming for Aries for the month of August. Aries, let me see your relationship wise and your career wise. Aries, your relationship wise, Aries, and career wise. Relationship and career. See, Aries, when it comes to relationship, you are absolutely running away, you are leaving behind some of the factors, some of the relationship which has troubled you in the past, Aries. This is happening in the month of August out of frustration, but this is not a permanent move on. I can clearly see. Here you can bounce back anytime. If you really want to move out of any situation, you'll have to be very, very, very determined. See, bouncing back means हो सकता है situation ऐसी बन जाए कि you are coming back again. Maybe it can be walking away from your partner. It can be walking away from any family situation. Maybe कुछ चीजें ऐसी होंगी वापस से it will take another turn around and again you are bound to come back because this is not a permanent move. I mean, move on from the situation. Okay, Aries. And when it comes to your career wise is super excellent. There are chances that see you can relate these two things. No? You're walking away from something that has been disturbing you, that has been messing with your mind, Aries, and you're walking towards where you're walking towards some new beginnings in your career also, in your it can be into your relationship also, that you're trying to start something new and your intuition is very on point in this particular month, Aries, this particular month specifically. And I'll give you one Mahadev's message at the last of my video. Okay, stay tuned. Now let me see for Taurus. Taurus, how will be the month of August for you in terms of your relationship and career? Taurus, relationship wise and career wise. Relationship wise, I'm absolutely seeing you enjoying with your family, your friends, your surroundings. Relationship with you will feel very content in this particular month, Taurus. Very, very content from within. There are so many aspects from the past that would have arisen either with your partner or with your family, which you are resolving this particular month. See, Rakhi aa rahi hai. Maybe कि सिबलिंग से किसी तरीके का इशू रहा हो, मे बी किसी फैमिली मेंबर से रहा हो पास्ट में, एंड यू आर रीयूनाइटिंग, you are trying to mend the situation. Overall, this is awesome for Taurus, you people. And let me see what's coming for career. When it comes to career, now I'm seeing you avoiding overworking. That's good. If it's possible that you are not overworking and things are very stable despite giving not much into the situation, then that's fine, because at times our body needs rest, our mind needs rest. Okay, so I'm seeing you maintaining very healthy boundaries with excessive workload. You are cutting off anything which is not your responsibility at your workplace, Taurus. This is what I'm seeing for you in the month of August. Okay, now I'll come to Geminis. Geminis, let me see how will be your relationships and career in general. Geminis, your relationships and career. Relationship, career. Let me see. Relationship wise, Geminis, see, you are trying to maintain peace. I don't know. I mean, Geminis, you are yourself confused, like how to maintain peace in the situation, because and there are so many aspects in which you are very much juggling. For example, you are having somebody in your life who is trying to approach you. This is just an example to make you understand, and this can resonate with some of your situation also. There are some relationships. Some relationship means you may be having options. You are having somebody particularly in your mind, And for example, if you're eligible to get married, your family will be willing to have somebody else in your life. So aisa wala juggling. On the other hand, you want to maintain that balance, you want to maintain that peace, and you feel like communication is the only solution for bringing peace to the situation. You're not allowing anybody to mess up with your mental peace when it comes to relationships specifically. हो सकता है कुछ लोगों ने आपको बहुत परेशान करके रख दिया हो पिछले कुछ महीनों में. Okay, Gemini, when it comes to your career, I'm seeing that there is somebody at your workplace. There is somebody at your workplace who is helping you a lot in your career. Can be a colleague, can be your boss, can be somebody who is related to work, can be your client, can be anybody. But that person is related to your work, and I'm seeing you're developing a very good bond with that person. Okay, and that bond may lead to something better in future. This is the energies of August Geminis. Okay, we'll see how it unfolds in further months. Okay, no worries, overall it's good, Geminis. And I'll give you a specific Mahadev's message at the last of my video. That will be very to the point and specific message from Lord Mahadev. Stay tuned. Now I'll come to Cancerians. Cancerians, let me see how will be your relationship and career in the month of August. Cancerians, relationship wise, career wise. Cancerians, relationship wise, so I'm seeing you being into your own zone. I mean, single, happy, enjoying, doesn't want to mingle with anyone in particular in this particular month. I don't know what is the reason because I'm not digging much, but your intuition is at point. You feel like it's better to stop juggling between people, between energies. You see, it can be into your relationship, the normal relationship also, and can be with your partner also. You don't want to mess up with this particular situation. You want absolute peace, shanti chahiye. You want to spend time alone without getting so much and too much involved with anybody in this particular month. See, reason can be anything. सबका अपना अपना रीजन होता है ना. But this is the main theme of the month. Your intuition is very high. You're not sharing much with people around. No. You're trying to keep yourself very confined. No. मुझे नहीं बताना. What's your plans in terms of relationship? For example, you're having some doubts on your partner, or maybe you're having some doubts कि you cannot trust every XYZ around you. So you are keeping everything, every plan to yourself only, Cancerians. This is what I'm seeing. And when it comes to your career, this is awesome. Career wise, I'm seeing you starting something new. You feel like this is what I actually wanted. See, it's not necessary to you start immediately everything, but I'm seeing those ideas. Lingering into your mind, how to bring balance to the situation. काम आप कुछ ऐसा करना चाह रहे हैं जिससे फैमिली डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं हो, आप अपने फैमिली को भी ध्यान दे सके, काम भी बैलेंस कर सके. समथिंग लाइक दैट, कैंसरियंस. कुछ वैसी एनर्जीज है. Cancerians, overall it's a good month for you, okay? Because I'm not seeing you getting involved with people too much in this month. You're making a lot of plans. Hopefully that plan works, Cancerians. And I'll give you Mahadev's message at the last of my video. Stay tuned. That will be very specific message from Lord Mahadev. Okay, Cancerians. Now I'll come to Leos. Leos, how will be your relationships and career in general for the month of August? I'll give you Mahadev's message at the last of my video. Stay tuned. Leos, your relationships in general. Leos, relationship, career. Relationship wise, see, I'm not seeing you very much focused on your relationship this month because you have already walked away from something that was troubling you. You want to focus absolutely into your finances. Efforts लगा के आप थक गए. You know why you are walking away? Because you have put a lot of efforts in the situation, in any situation. It can be with your partner, it can be with your relationship in general, or it can be everything where you have given a lot your efforts, full of efforts without getting any reciprocation from the other end. You're very frustrated. अब मुझे नहीं देना relationship में, and you want to focus absolutely onto your career. Okay, maintaining some healthy boundaries. Doesn't matter the लोग क्या कहेंगे. You are far away from such things. लोग क्या कहेंगे? It is no more existing in your dictionary, Leos. When it comes to your career, I said, obviously, if you are very much focused on your finances, you're working very hard, obviously your career will be at peace. I'm seeing you moving away from some turbulent phase in your career towards peace. बहुत सारी चीज़ें बिगड़ सी गई थी करियर एस्पेक्ट में. मुझे जो एनर्जी फील हो रही है वो ऐसा लग रहा है कि लियो, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ योर रिलेशनशिप, यू आर गिविंग सो मच टाइम टू योर रिलेशनशिप, यू आर गिविंग सो मच टाइम एंड एनर्जी एंड एफर्ट इस तरफ कि आपका जो रिलेशनशिप का, जो करियर का आपका एस्पेक्ट है ना, वो हैम्पर हो रहा था, वो इम्पैक्टेड था नेगेटिवली. ओके, नाउ यू वांट टू शिफ्ट योर फोकस. ऐसा नहीं है कि यू आर लीविंग बिहाइंड योर रिलेशनशिप्स, बट विथ सर्टेन बाउंड्रीज. जितना ज़रूरत है उतना किया एंड देन फोकसिंग ऑन योर वर्क. वही चीज़ें आपको निकालेंगी अननेसेसरी टर्बुलेंट सिचुएशन से बाहर, क्योंकि आपने खुद हर्डल्स, ब्लॉकेजेस क्रिएट करा था करियर में, है ना व्यूअर्स. एंड you are healing those situation, you're healing that situation now in the month of August. Great, that's great. Because अच्छी बात इसलिए है क्योंकि मैं आपको रिश्तों को छोड़ते हुए नहीं देख रही हूँ. It's just like giving less energies to this aspect, okay? And you are absolutely on the right direction as per universe. Okay, viewers, God bless you. I'll give you Lord Mahadev's message at the last. Okay, stay tuned. And now let me see for Virgos. Virgos, how will be your relationship in general and career in the month of August? Virgos, relationship, career. Relationship wise, I'm seeing you not trusting the situation. You just want to focus on yourself, self-love mode. You are absolutely into self-love mode. Why? क्योंकि आपको ऐसा लगता है कि you have put enough efforts also. You trusted few people previously, and you feel like these people are not trustworthy. The situation was not trustworthy. You wasted your time and energies. Although ये कुछ हद तक आपकी ओवर थिंकिंग भी है, सिचुएशन उतनी भी बुरी नहीं थी जितना आपने सोच के रखा है. बट एंड फ्यू ऑफ यू वर्गोस, आप में से कुछ लोग ऐसे ज़रूर हैं जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं. आप लोगों ने करियर में भी हेल्प करी है अपने किसी रिलेटिव, फ्रेंड, फैमिली मेम्बर की. And you feel like these people are very thankless, absolutely thankless. फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता how much you have put efforts, they are still the same behavior wise. हर तरह के से ये लोग सेम ही हैं. there is no positive changes with you behavior wise especially. That is why you want to leave these things behind and focus absolutely on yourself, self love mode. Virgos, let me see how will be your career. Obviously, if you are so aces, my God, 1 2 दो aces, उसका मतलब होता है starting something new. There can be some offers for you in career. कोई नया ऑफर हो सकता है. It can be some new, and this is somebody from known. The source is from somebody known. Okay, कोई है जो आपकी हेल्प कर रहा है. You feel like either you want to gain clarity for that, whether you should go ahead or not. Maybe you are seeking help from any astrologer or somebody elderly to you, जिसको आपसे ज़्यादा आइडिया है इन सब चीज़ों का. You will be, I'm seeing you very busy वो career aspect में. You're more focused into your career aspect comparatively to your relationship. Okay, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि you are leaving behind people in your relationship. No, it's not like that. It's as simple as maintaining boundaries there in that aspect. Career wise too. And you know why I can sense that this is a very good opportunity, but do consult any astrologer or elderlies in your family, क्योंकि घर में जो बुजुर्ग होते हैं वो भी बहुत एक्सपीरियंस्ड होते हैं. These people are full of wisdom. आप उनकी हेल्प ज़रूर लें, उनसे गाइडेंस ज़रूर लें, तभी आप आगे बढ़ें. Virgos, that's great, and I'll give you Mahadev's message at the last of my video. Please stay tuned. Libras, let me see how will be the month of August for you people in terms of your relationship and career, relationship wise Libra and career wise Libras. And I'll give you one message from Lord Mahadev, specific message at the last of my video. Stay tuned, Libras. Let me see how will be your relationships first. Libra's relationship and career. Libra's relationship wise, career wise. Relationship wise, you feel like somebody might be not talking to you. You're waiting for some communication from somebody. This somebody is not talking to you. Not necessarily that this person is a love interest, can be somebody in your family that you might be having some either ego clashes or misunderstandings in the past. You feel like, why is this person maintaining boundaries? See, when it comes to boundaries, you have also done the similar thing to this person earlier. High chances are there. Okay, this particular person might have felt the similar attitude from your end, and that's the reason this person is behaving this way. Keep it in mind. This is the clarity I wanted to give to you, Libras. And when it comes to your relationship, so I'm so sorry. When it comes to your career, you may have some new opportunities, but you want to hold back. You don't want to take any risk. There can be many Libras who are watching here. There can be a possibility कि you are already having a very stable job or whatever you have, you don't want to risk it. You are overthinking a lot. क्या करूँ मैं इस opportunity का क्या करूँ? ठीक है? Should I go with it? Should I not? I would suggest you to seek guidance from either elderlies in your family or any astrologer or anybody who is having experiences in these things. Libras, I'll give you Mahadev's message at the last. Stay tuned, Libras. Don't worry. See, it's all your mindset. I'm not saying the situation is not that bad. The way you have portrayed it into your mind, everything is very minor. It's minor. Overall, the month is good. It's all about your mindset. Change your mindset, change your perspective a little bit. If you feel like you have done something wrong to somebody, please don't mind. This is what I'm saying. If you feel like you have done something wrong or you have ignored somebody in the past and that person is behaving in a similar way, see how you can bring balance to the situation. You are the one, you should think about it. No? Be present because this is very clearly visible. God bless you, Libras. Now let me see for Scorpios. Scorpios, how will be your relationship and career in general? Scorpios, how will be your relationship and career in general? Scorpios, relationship wise, career wise, relationship and career. And Scorpios, I'll give you one specific message from Lord Mahadev at the last. Keep it in mind. Please stay tuned and watch the whole video. Now, when it comes to your relationship, you are keeping an eye on somebody, and Scorpio, you feel like there is somebody who is trying to cheat you. There is somebody who is hiding something from you. He or she can be anybody, can be your partner or can be somebody in your relationship. I'm seeing you watching this person, his or her activity from distance. Distance can be anything, it can be virtually also. Watching the social media, watching maybe CCTVs, I don't know, it can be anything. Scorpios, वो यहाँ पे specific लिखा नहीं होता. But you're keeping an eye on somebody's activity and you may find out there is something wrong. आपने कोई तो है आपके around जिस पे आपने बहुत भरोसा किया है और आपको दिखेगा कि this person has been cheating on you since long. Keep it in mind. Keep your eyes, ears open this month. Although this is very sensitive message, but see, cheating तो cheating होती है ना, either small or big. ट्रस्ट इश्यूज हो जाते हैं, उसके बाद रिश्ते खराब हो जाते हैं, है ना. कीप एन आई. डेफिनेटली यू आर ऑन द राइट पाथ. प्लीज फाइंड आउट. इफ यू फील लाइक दिस पर्सन इज नॉट गुड फॉर यू, कट ऑफ immediately. When it comes to your career wise, so it's skyrocketing. मतलब this is super, Scorpio, because you are taking a leap of faith towards something new. You want to start a new journey in your career. You would have planned a lot of things and universe will pay you the rewards of your labor. This is the month when you'll feel like कि चलो मैंने इतनी मेहनत करी, अब जाके रिजल्ट मिल रहा है मुझे. एंड देर आर हाई पॉसिबिलिटीज कि कुछ स्कॉर्पियोज जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, आप में से कुछ लोग ऐसे ज़रूर होंगे जो यू आर मैनेजिंग टू डिफरेंट. सी सपोज यू माइट बी हैविंग वन source of income and you might be managing, or you may start some another source of income in this particular month, August. And these both will go simultaneously and you will balance it very well. सब कुछ बहुत स्मूथ चलेगा. But this particular thing aspect of yours in your career, this is the stable source of income that you have. You are maintaining, you are balancing with something else. You're giving time to both the, I mean, this idea might be there in your mind since long, but it may get implemented. You may implement it in this month, and you may take the charge of everything in your hand. Don't know why. हो सकता है रिलेशनशिप एस्पेक्ट में जो आपने फेस करा है या फिर आप देख रहे हैं, तो मे बी कि you may not trust anybody, any XYZ so easily now, Scorpios. This is what I'm seeing, and I'll give you specific Mahadev's message at the last of my video. Stay tuned, and don't worry, Scorpios. If universe is asking you to stay alert, please do it. Okay, that is for your highest good. Now I'll come to Sagittarius. Sag, my lovely Sag, let me see how will be your relationship and career in general in the month of August. And I'll give you Mahadev's message at the last of my video. Please stay tuned. Watch the whole video. Let me see. Sagittarius, your relationships in general, Sag. Which cards flip हुए? Very positive cards these are, Sag. Hopefully your month goes well. Sag, your relationships in general, Sag. Your career wise, relationship and career, okay? Relationship wise, Sag, I said मुझे पहली इंडिकेशन मिल गई थी यूनिवर्स से. See, every card is so positive for you for the month of August. Sagittarius, you are enjoying your time with your family. You are trying to give more time to the family. You are investing into your family. Can be any particular family member, can be for whole family. It can be any renovation in your house, home, environment. It can be helping somebody with some funds, paise, and you are being appreciated a lot. And comparatively to other aspects of your life, it can be your career or anything else, your studies, anything, you're giving more time to family. That's great. Oh my god, 10 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups. My god, I had told you, no, Sagittarius at the beginning only. मुझे indication मिल गया था universe even before pulling out cards. See, thus complete fulfillment in terms of your family also, in terms of your career also. पता है career में क्यों? Because there was something that was weighing you very heavily. It can be excessive workload. You were so drained earlier, so drained that you are not able to give time to your family. हो सकता है आप किसी प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे हो सकता है वर्कलोड बहुत ज़्यादा हो और काफ़ी टाइम से आपने फैमिली को टाइम नहीं दिया हो, अच्छा टाइम स्पेंड नहीं करा हो, है ना? अब वो टाइम आ गया है. यू आर रैपिंग अप लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन योर करियर and you're very content. This is the best reading among all those signs that I have done till now. Sag, I'm so glad. God bless you, and I'll give you Mahadev's message at the last. Okay, stay tuned, Sagittarius. Now I'll see for Capricorns. Let me see how will be your relationship and career in general, Capricorns. Relationships, Capricorns, and career for the month of August, Capricorns. Wait, relationship wise, so I'm seeing you, Capricorns. Are you having feelings for somebody? If you're not married, you might be having a lot of feelings for somebody in particular, and the other person is also reciprocating this in the month of August, or you may see some indications from the other person ki acha, he or she is also started taking interest. You know why it happened? Because you're very much focused on yourself. The more you're giving time to yourself, your growth, people get attracted to you. You're being magnetic in this month. If you're not married, if you're married, then you're having very good relationship with your spouse. Your spouse is absolutely helping you, as absolutely reciprocating, full of love. Capricorns, great. Let me see your career. Career-wise, you're absolutely into this Capricorn mode. Capricorns are very hardworking, no? See, other zodiacs are also hardworking, but Capricorns are specifically. My Capricorns are my favorite when it comes to working very hard. बहुत मेहनत करते हैं ये लोग. You are walking, in your career, now you are walking away from something or somebody who has been messing with your mind. कुछ काम ऐसा आप कर रहे थे ज़रूर जिसमें आपका मन नहीं लग रहा था, फिर भी करना है तो करना है वाली बातें थी. Now you're choosing, no, I am not meant to do this, I won't be doing this. I'll do this thing only. I'm worth doing this. My capabilities, my experience doesn't want me to focus on these particular tasks. Anybody can do it. Capricorns वो काम हाथ पे लेना चाहते हैं, कोई नहीं कर सकता. Capricorns, God bless you. I'll give you Mahadev's message at the last. Stay tuned, Capricorns. God bless you. Now Aquarius. Aquarius, let me see how will be the month of August 2025 for you in terms of your relationship and career in general. I'll give you one specific message from Lord Mahadev at the last. Okay. So, Aquarius, your relationships in general and your career. Relationship wise, I'm seeing somebody new. Since long you have been very single. Most of you, not everybody, but most of you. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि despite being into a relationship you feel so lonely that you feel like नहीं तो मैं तो सिंगल ही हूँ. सिंगलहुड और अभी वाले सिचुएशन में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है. Maybe the partner with whom you were there earlier was not compatible, you were not happy with the person. I'm seeing somebody is new, किसी new की entry हो रही है. Somebody very stable, good looking. Great, Aquarius. But be very mindful. Obviously, we will always suggest you to seek advice either from any astrologer or any of your friends. Try to find out about the person, then only jump into the situation. Although this person seems good, okay, can be younger in age than you, can be. Not much, a difference of few months. When it comes to your career, Aquarius, your intuition is at point. You feel like there is somebody who is betraying you behind your back. There is somebody whom you cannot trust. You have been trusting this particular person or the situation, and this is an absolute red flag. You will find it out. Be very careful. This is a very clear message from the universe. See, I'm not seeing that कुछ नुकसान आपका ऐसा हो रहा है, because your intuition is on point. और मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा है after seeing all these things कि देर आर हाई चांसेस दैट कि इससे पहले कि वो इंसान बहुत बड़ा नुकसान कुछ आपका पहुंचाए, यू विल कैच द पर्सन. आई मीन getting to know about the person or seeing this person doing something, and you'll have the proof also. You can take any action against this person. The situation will remain in your favor, but keep your ears and eyes open, Aquarius. This is a universal guidance, क्योंकि there are high chances कि आपको पता लगना ही लगना है किसी न किसी के बारे में. At your workplace, if you are the boss and so many employees are working under you, then also keep an eye. If you are working under somebody or somebody is working under you, you are also working as an employee, then also keep an eye. नहीं तो ये आगे चल के आपको नुकसान पहुंचा सकता है ये इंसान. Aquarius, God bless you. I'll give you one specific message from Lord Mahadev at the last. Stay tuned. Aquarius, God bless you. Fine. Finally, my fishes, my Pisces, my lovely Pisces, my fishes. Let me see how will be your relationship and career in general, Pisces. Your relationships, career, relationship and career. Just a minute. Okay, fine. Pisces, when it comes to your relationship, let me see. Relationship wise, there can be somebody, मुझे लग रहा था. See, there is somebody who is trying to approach you and you are weighing your options. I can see two male. If you are female, then two male, and if you are male, then this person can be two females. Okay, and you are juggling. You are trying to find out that if you're not married, then you're trying to find out with whom you should give your time and energies and how to proceed further. You're confused, very confused. See, you're having some trust issues also. You might not be having good experiences in the past. Don't want to jump into any situation as a randomly. No, you want to, you need some clarity. Better to connect to any astrologer, or try to, if you don't want to connect to any astrologer, it's better to find out about this person, like who is better for you. And if you are already married, then also I'm seeing somebody else's influence in your connection with your husband. Keep it in mind, or wife. You need to be very careful in this month, Pisces. This month seems to be very, very crucial for you. You know why? Because ये इंसान जो भी है ना, ये इंसान जो भी है, male or female, this person will be having very huge impact in your family later on. Keep it in mind. So it's better to be careful than regretting later on. This is it. And when it comes to your career में तो I'm seeing everything is great, and you are there are high chances that you will be getting some, अगर आपने ना कुछ छुट्टियों का एप्लीकेशन दिया हो घर जाने के लिए फॉर एनी रीज़न, राखी भी आ रही है, हो सकता है you feel like कि चलो ठीक है, your boss, your colleagues, they are so supportive, you will get a lot of support in your career this month. सिर्फ छुट्टियों के एस्पेक्ट में ही नहीं, at your workplace also, and people are being very friendly, you will feel very friendly environment. And there can be specifically a few colleagues of yours who are not very compatible to you, from whom you are not getting good vibes. I'm seeing you just sidelining these people, still you're feeling very content overall. And it's like wrapping up your work rapidly, and then putting your time and energies into your family matters, giving time to your family. Aisa kuch Pisces. Overall, it's good. But I'm seeing when I saw for your relationship, I'm seeing somebody's influence. Keep it in mind. Be very mindful. This person can be a friend initially, but later on, this person may have very huge impact in your family environment. Keep it in mind, Pisces. And I'll give you one Mahadev's message at the last of my video. This video is already over. Now I'll begin from Aries to Pisces. And I'll see one specific message from Lord Mahadev. Now, as I promised, as I said, that I will be giving you one specific message from Lord Mahadev for the month of August for all of you. Let me see what Mahadev has to tell you. I'll go from Aries to Pisces. Okay, for Aries, let me see what is the message from Lord Mahadev for you. Mahadev is asking you to do meditation. Embrace solitude and engage in meditation, as it is the key to gaining a deeper understanding of yourself and uncovering your true spiritual essence. Mahadev is clearly asking you. See, is it visible on the camera? See, Mahadev is asking you to do meditation. Aries, this is a specific message, and if you follow this guidance, you will definitely see very positive changes further. Okay, let me see. Taurus, what is your Mahadev's message? Taurus people, mountains find relaxation and resolution. Just as the mountains stand tall and steadfast, you are encouraged to find calmness and relaxation amidst the blockages and challenges you may be facing in life. See, this is a very specific message. Is it visible on the camera? See. This is a message from Lord Mahadev for you, Taurus. You people are very hardworking, no? अर्थ एलिमेंट्स बहुत होते हैं आप में. Obstacles, challenges, जो भी है, it's nothing in front of you. You will overcome everything. This is Mahadev is telling you this. And और आपको महादेव ये भी कह रहे हैं कि अगर आपको टाइम मिले, प्लीज गो ऑन अ वेकेशन दिस टाइम. व्हेनेवर यू आर प्लानिंग सम वेकेशंस ना, प्लीज गो टू सम माउंटेन वाला एरिया, वैलीज, हिल्स वाले एरिया में. यू फील सो गुड. ये महादेव का मैसेज है आपके लिए, टॉरस. गॉड ब्लेस यू. लेट अस सी फॉर जेमिनाइज. Geminis, what is the message from Lord Mahadev for Geminis? Geminis, again, my God. Mountains find relaxation and resolution. I'll show you the card. Just as the mountains stand tall and steadfast, you are encouraged to find calmness and relaxation amidst the blockages and challenges you may be facing in life. Geminis, see, this is a message. So this is somewhat similar to the Taurus. Gemini, Mahadev is asking you that challenges are nothing. in front of you. Doesn't matter कैसा भी challenge आ जाना, you'll overcome it. His blessings are with you. And whenever you're planning any vacations, do go to any mountain वाला area, mountain, hills, valleys. वहाँ पे you'll feel so relaxed, और उतना relaxation आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. Okay, Geminis, God bless you. Let me see for Cancerians. Cancerians. Message, one specific message from Lord Mahadev for you, Cancerians. Ganga, divine intervention. Worship Lord Shiva for his divine intervention to avoid any sort of disaster or problem and make things and people in your favor. See, Cancerians, there are high possibilities कि you might be planning to do something this सावन और अगस्त के महीने में, and उसमें कुछ obstacles नहीं आए, इसके लिए महादेव कह रहे हैं कि आप उनकी पूजा अर्चना करें. उनके जैसे मंत्र चैंटिंग करना, ओम नमः शिवाय की चैंटिंग करना या महामृत्युंजय की चैंटिंग करना 108 बार. इट विल बी एक्सेलेंट फॉर यू. ये इट विल रिमूव ब्लॉकेजेस, रास्ते से ब्लॉकेजेस हटा देगा. कीप इट इन माइंड एंड डू इट कंसिस्टेंटली स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम एनी मंडे, and you will see a lot of changes. Now I'll see for Leos. Leos, what is your Mahadev's message? Leos, let me see what Mahadev has. Leos, one guidance from Lord Mahadev for you, Leos. Self-care, take a break and rejuvenate. Okay, prioritize self-care by taking a break from your routine work. It is time to indulge in activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul, making yourself feel truly special. Leos, I remember this was something there in your reading also, that you are very exhausted, you gave a lot to your family and all, and to every situation, and see, Lord Mahadev is also giving you the same guidance. I remember this was there in the reading. Go backwards and listen to it. Give time to yourself, self love mode में रहें आप. महादेव का मैसेज है आपकी वीडियोस. Let me see for Virgos. Virgos, what is Lord Mahadev's message for Virgos? Trishul, trident, the power. This card brings forth the symbolism of the Trishul or trident, representing the power to break free from illusion and ego. It urges you to harness the power of knowledge to gain wisdom and embrace a path of spiritual growth. This is your message. Is it visible? Is it visible? Must be visible. Virgos, okay? This is a message from Lord Mahadev for you. Okay? Understood? Let me see for Libras. Libras, your message from Lord Mahadev this August. Libras. Mahashivratri, love and harmony await. The auspicious occasion of Mahashivratri brings with the promise of new love and harmonization of your relationship with your soulmate. See, if you are facing any obstacle, Libras, if you are facing any obstacle in your relationship, is it visible? Must be visible. Okay. If you are facing any obstacle in your relationship since long, universe is asking you, Mahadev is asking you to either do व्रत, और महाशिवरात्रि हर महीने आती है, या फिर आप मंडे का फास्ट रख सकते हैं टू ब्रिंग. फास्ट का मतलब ये नहीं होता है भूखे पेट रह के फास्ट करना. नो, इट कैन बी लाइक आप फ्रूट्स ले सकते हैं, है ना. इट्स, और महादेव आपसे ये कह रहे हैं कि इट विल ब्रिंग हार्मनी टू योर रिलेशनशिप. इट विल हेल्प यू रिमूव ब्लॉकेजेस. भगवान ऐसा नहीं कहते कि आप कष्ट करके, अपने शरीर को कष्ट देके आप उपवास करें उन्हें प्रसन्न करने के लिए. भगवान ऐसा नहीं कह रहे हैं. वो आपको कह रहे हैं, आई मीन, गिव सम टाइम टू लॉर्ड महादेव. आप मंत्र चैंटिंग कर सकते हैं उनकी. मंडे टू मंडे आप एटलीस्ट फास्ट रखें. इट विल हेल्प यू ट्रेमेंडसली इन योर रिलेशनशिप्स. Libras, done. God bless you. Now let me see for Scorpios. Scorpios, Lord Mahadev's message for you, Scorpios. Snake, purify through your throat chakra. The snake represents the throat chakra, and its significance is purifying everything that enters your body. Be बी माइंडफुल एंड अटेंटिव वाइल कम्युनिकेटिंग विद अदर्स। खतरा, खतरे की घंटी, महादेव आपसे कह रहे हैं सोच समझ के बात करें किसी से भी। हो सकता है स्लिपिंग ऑफ योर टंग, मे बी कुछ आप ऐसा बोल जाएं जो सामने वाले को हर्ट कर जाए, और आपकी इंटेंशन ऐसी बिल्कुल नहीं हो। बी सिलेक्टिव विथ योर वर्ड्स। Got it? Scorpios, be very selective with your words. And rest, everything is okay, don't worry. It's all about your communication. और कभी कभी थ्रोट चक्रा में ना ब्लॉकेजेस होते हैं, इस वजह से भी लोग बोल जाते हैं कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा। ट्राई टू हील योर थ्रोट चक्रा। थ्रोट कैसे हील करते हैं, मैं आपको छोटा सा एग्जांपल दे देती हूँ, वो भी इफ़ यू आर रेकी हीलर यू कैन हील इट थ्रू रेकी। अगर आप रेकी हीलर नहीं है, यू कैन डू दिस चक्रा मेडिटेशन। वहाँ भी आप थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा स्पेसिफिक टाइम दे दें थ्रोट चक्रा को। चक्रा मेडिटेशन इज़ ऑलरेडी देयर, मैंने पोस्ट किया हुआ है, इट इज़ देयर इन द प्लेलिस्ट, यू कैन गो, यू कैन डू इट। इट्स अ वेरी शॉर्ट मेडिटेशन, इट विल ब्रिंग लॉट ऑफ चेंजेस इफ यू डू इट on everyday basis. Okay, do it, Scorpios. Now let me see for Sagittarius, your Mahadev's message for you for the month of August specifically. Sagittarius, one message from Lord Mahadev for you, Sag. See, snake, purify your throat chakra. The snake represents the throat chakra and it signifies in purifying everything that enters your body. Be mindful and attentive while communicating with others. Red flag. See, Sagittarius, Mahadev is asking you be very careful with your words. हो सकता है आपकी इंटेंशन ही नहीं, आपकी इंटेंशन बिल्कुल नहीं हो किसी को हर्ट करने की, कुछ बातें आप ऐसी बोल जाएंगे, हो सकता है जिससे सामने वाला हर्ट हो जाए। बी वेरी सिलेक्टिव, वेरी माइंडफुल वाइल कम्युनिकेटिंग टू अदर्स। थ्रोट चक्रा में ब्लॉकेजेस हैं, यू मस्ट बी हैविंग ब्लॉकेजेस इन योर थ्रोट चक्रा। महादेव इज आस्किंग यू टू हील योर चक्रास। हील करने का बहुत तरीका होता है। सी, मेडिटेशन वीडियो चक्रा हीलिंग वाली भी पोस्टेड है ऑलरेडी, इट्स अपलोडेड लॉन्ग अगो ऑन माई यूट्यूब चैनल एंड इट्स देयर इन योर प्लेलिस्ट। छोटा सा है वो, मतलब आई मीन मस्ट बी इवन लेस दैन 10 minutes, 10 to 11 minutes होगा हार्डली वो, and it will bring a lot of changes in your life once you start doing it on everyday basis. See the changes, Sagittarius. Okay, God bless you, Sag. Let me see for Capricorns. What is Mahadev's message for you people? Capricorns, Mahadev's message for the month of August 2025. Capricorns, self-care. See, take a break and rejuvenate. Prioritize self-care by taking a break from your routine work. It is time to indulge in activities that nourish your mind, body and soul, making yourself feel truly special. See, Mahadev is asking you to be into self-love mode. Is it visible? Must be visible. See on the camera. See, Mahadev is asking you to be into self-love mode. You need time for yourself, Capricorns. Why? महादेव को पता है यू पीपल आर वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग, काम अपनी जगह है, प्रायोरिटाइज योर हेल्थ, योर सेल्फ, योर नीड एट फर्स्ट। ये दिस इज अ मैसेज फॉर द मंथ ऑफ ऑगस्ट। ओके, महादेव के मैसेज को मानिए, अपने आप को टाइम दीजिए, आप ऐसे काम में इंडल्ज्ड हो, थोड़ा सा टाइम निकालिए अपनी हॉबीज़ के लिए जहाँ पे आपका माइंड रिफ्रेश हो जाता हो। 5 मिनट, 10 मिनट, 15 मिनट, जितना भी आपसे बेस्ट पॉसिबल, प्लीज़ डू इट Capricorns. Follow Mahadev's guidance. It will bring a lot of positive changes in whatever you're doing. Aquarius, let me see what is your message from Lord Mahadev for you, Aquarius. My lovely Aquarius, let me see Mahadev आपसे क्या कहना चाहते हैं for the month of August, Aquarius. Self-care, see, take a break and rejuvenate. Prioritize self-care by taking a break from your routine work. It is time to indulge in activities that nourish your mind, body and soul, making yourself feel truly special. See the message. See on the camera. बहुत सारे लोगों को ये मैसेज आया है जिसका मतलब है यू पीपल आर वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग। ठीक है, हार्ड वर्क इज़ वेरी गुड, करना चाहिए। हार्ड वर्किंग डजंट मीन यू आर वर्किंग एट योर वर्क प्लेस, घर में भी आप मेहनत कर रहे हैं, हो सकता है कुछ लोग दोनों ही जगह कर रहे हो। दिस इज़ टू मच, दिस इज़ गोइंग वे टू मच फॉर योर बॉडी, फॉर योर हेल्थ, नहीं तो ये मैसेज नहीं आता। Aquarius, प्लीज़ टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ, फाइंड आउट टाइम फॉर योर हॉबीज़। आप कुछ ऐसा काम करें जिसमें आप फ्रेश फील करते हैं, ठीक है, फ्रेश and doesn't matter 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but it is very much needed now. Do it and you'll see a lot of changes. Okay, God bless your queries. And finally, my lovely Pisces, my fishies, my favorite Pisces. Pisces, let me see what is Mahadev's message for you, Pisces. What is Mahadev's message? Let me see. Okay, two messages popped up, so I'll have to give this message to Pisces. महादेव को भी पता है कि Pisces बहुत लंबा वेट करते हैं, उन्होंने दो मैसेज भेजा. I'll show it on the screen. Okay, let me read. Bhairav, dispelling fear and overcoming adversity. Turn to Lord Bhairav to dispel your fears, protect yourself from malevolent energies and overcome adversities. Trust on Mahadev. You need to trust on Bhairav ji and see universe will bring lot of positive changes in your life. Pisces, डर से बाहर निकले. महादेव है ना आपके साथ, डरने की बात नहीं. जो रास्ता आपको लगता है इट इज़ फॉर योर हाईएस्ट गुड, इट इज़ फॉर द हाईएस्ट गुड ऑफ योर फैमिली, योर एवरीबडी अराउंड यू, जिससे किसी का नुकसान नहीं हो रहा है, उस रास्ते पर आप चल रहे हैं. महादेव का की ब्लेसिंग्स है आपके साथ, आप बिल्कुल चिंता ना करें. ठीक है. अनदर मैसेज इज आदि योगी embarking on the path of yoga. Adi Yogi Shiva, the revered originator of yoga, beckons you to commence your journey into the practice of yoga, which holds the potential to enhance your physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Mahadev is asking you to get yourself indulged in yoga. See the message. Must be visible on the screen. Clearly visible on the screen. Pisces, महादेव सी कितना प्यार करते हैं, स्पेशली व्यूअर जो आप देख रहे हैं. महादेव कितना प्यार करते हैं आपसे. वो आपको कह रहे हैं, आपकी फिक्र कर रहे हैं, उन्हें पता है कि आप बहुत परेशान हैं, बहुत ऑब्स्टिकल्स फेस किए हैं आपने. वो कह रहे हैं मैं हूँ तुम्हारे पीछे, तुम करो, बढ़ो तो सही, मैं पीछे से हूँ तुम्हारी मदद करने के लिए. महादेव कह रहे यू नीड टू indulge yourself into योगा. आप जो भी काम कर रहे हैं दैट इज़ फाइन, यू कीप डूइंग इट. अदर देन दैट प्लीज़ आप या तो कोई योगा क्लास ज्वाइन कर लीजिए. डू एनीथिंग. योगा में इट्स नॉट नेसेसरली टू गिव मच टाइम. आप कोई एक आसन भी करें जिससे आपको, जैसे सूर्य नमस्कार है, ठीक है, आपको उससे बहुत एनर्जी मिलेगी, उससे मोटिवेशन मिलेगा. यू विल गेन क्लैरिटी ऑफ योर माइंड, बॉडी एंड सोल. महादेव का ये स्पेसिफिक मैसेज है, इसे इग्नोर ना करें, इसे प्लीज़ फॉलो करें Pisces. एंड आई एश्योर यू दैट इफ़ यू फॉलो इट यू विल सी लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिव चेंजेस. जब भी डर लगे ना, भगवान भैरवनाथ के मंत्रा का उच्चारण करें. भगवान भैरवनाथ वो भी भगवान शिव का ही रूप है, आप उनको प्रणाम कर रहे हैं, उनसे आशीर्वाद लें. यू विल सी कि फियर कैसे चुटकी में गायब हो जाता है. यू विल गेन करेज ऑल्सो Pisces. गॉड ब्लेस यू. महादेव कितना प्यार करते हैं आपको समझ आ गया होगा मैसेजेस से. एक नहीं दो मैसेज आया. किसी ज़ोडिएक के लिए नहीं आया था अभी तक, Pisces के लिए आया है. God bless you Pisces and all the zodiacs, and hopefully August month goes very well. I'll come up with other readings also. Till then, stay blessed. Radhe Radhe.